Doesn't matter whatever happens, you will always have a second chance. See, I know you must have heard a lot of times from people that, oh, that was the last opportunity that I had. Oh, I give that interview, I worked so hard, but I couldn't get it. Now what I'm gonna do? But you have to remind yourself whenever this comes to your mind that you will always have a second chance. Hi everyone, I'm Snehal and welcome back to my channel. So you must have heard from a lot of people, okay, from your friends, from your family members, okay, they wanted to buy something but because of so and so reasons they couldn't buy it, and now they think that it was the last opportunity that they had and they are not going to have it kabhi bhi. And with us as well, like we give interviews multiple places but we couldn't make it and we think that our life is over, and now I don't think so that I would ever be able to achieve anything, right? I don't think so that I would ever be able to crack any interview. Your confidence goes low and you start to question yourself that this was the last opportunity that I had and now I'm not gonna have any other opportunity. Or if you have invested money somewhere, you lost all the time but you couldn't make it and you started to feel that you are a loser. Okay, or you have invested a lot of years with someone whom you love so deeply, but somehow, somewhere, that relationship didn't work out. And you started to question yourself, like, okay, that was the she or he was the only one with whom I invested so many years of mine, and I don't think so that I would be able to find another partner. So if you're also one of them who thinks like that, I wish that this video will help you out. Let's not wait and let's just get started. So first thing first, every morning is a new beginning. Yes, every morning is a new beginning for you. It means that you will have number of opportunities, new opportunities knocking on the door, waiting for you to grab it. Or if you need someone in your life, if you want someone in your life and you think that you are not going to meet anyone, you have to come out from your house. Go meet different people. Okay, try something new. Okay, whatever happened with you in the past, it already happened and it's not going to come back. Can you change it? No, but you are going to just waste your time. That's it. And when you are wasting your time thinking about, okay, what has happened, मैंने क्या गलत कर दिया, I'm so embarrassed, I don't feel that I am worthy anymore and I'm a loser, whatever it is, okay, whatever you are thinking, can you change it? No, you can't. You can't do anything. If I would get a chance to go back to my past and to change it everything, I would not do it, because I know that those things that has happened with me in the past is the one that made me this person today. So I don't want to change it at all. Okay, let me give you an example. अभी recent का example देती हूँ. Okay, this video I'm shooting it another time. Okay, this is the second time I'm shooting this video because the video that I shot previously, it got deleted like completely. Okay, yeah, I would not say that I was not disappointed. I would not say that I was not sad. I was not feeling bad about it. Literally, I was really sad because वो पूरी रात जग के जो मैंने शूट किया, इतनी मेहनत की गर्मी में, इतनी सारी चीजें जो मैंने की, वो सारा का सारा मेहनत बेकार हो गया. Obviously I felt bad and the time I was about to edit it, वो सारी की सारी वीडियो ही नहीं रही. And I'm shooting this video at the very end time. तो मैं क्या अभी रो बैठ के? No, I can't do it. I was talking to my mom and she was like, you are angry right now, you are not in the mood to talk, I'll talk to you later. Okay, I was sad, but that didn't let me stop. Okay, I have to do it what I have to do it anyway. कुछ भी करो वो करना ही है. क्या मैं अभी बैठ के रोऊं कि अरे यार मैंने वो शूट किया था, इतनी मेहनत की, अब मैं क्या करूं? नहीं, I know you did a lot of things. I know you did a lot of efforts with your partner. I know that you did a lot of efforts to crack that interview, but still you couldn't make it. It's fine. Now it's a new day. It's a new opportunity. It's new opportunity to grow. to shine, to to thrive in this on this new day. See what you can do better. Okay, what you can do to make this day better. I believe that you are lucky if you are able to see every single morning. If you are able to see that, it means that you still have opportunity. The only thing is that you just have to grab the right opportunity for you. Okay, but don't stop until you find the right opportunity that matches to you. Literally, don't stop. Okay, point number 2, your purpose has not been fulfilled yet. See, I'm a strong believer that if you're still living, if you're still breathing right now, it means that your purpose has not been fulfilled yet. Like literally, the moment your purpose will be fulfilled, you will die. Literally, you will be dead. You will not be living. I believe that every human being who is on this earth have a purpose, have a job to fulfill. Okay, there are things that needs to be done from your end. Until you will not complete it, you will have to live. Doesn't matter whatever happens. So see what are the things that I did wrong last time, because a lot of time what happens that there are same patterns that we are following. Like you did a lot of things, you tried so hard to achieve something, but you are still not able to do it. It's because you are following the same pattern. You are still following the same pattern. So see what are the things that I'm still doing the same thing that is leading me to this failure, which you are not. Okay, I'm not telling you that you are a loser. You are not a loser. You assume that you are a loser, okay, but you are not. But still, if you think that these things, that whatever I did, it has led me to this failure, so see what are the things that I did wrong. Okay, how I can make my work better, or is that job opportunity good for me? Okay, or maybe the job opportunity, the interview that you wanted to give and the job that you wanted to have, maybe it is not good for you, or maybe there is another person who deserves more than you, or maybe he or she wants that job than you. Okay, so don't always think. Sometimes, like, you invested a lot of years with partner of yours, but it didn't work out. Maybe that partner is not good for you. Maybe there is someone who deserves that partner more than you, or maybe she is not going to serve, or he is not going to serve at your highest good. And that's why they have been removed from your life. Don't ever think, okay? Please stop thinking that God have put you here to struggle. No. Do you think that God have put you here to suffer? No. They want you to grow, they want you to shine, they want you to thrive every single day. They also want you to be a successful person, to be with a partner that deserves you and you deserve them. Okay, so stop questioning that, which leads us to the third point, that is, destruction is a new chapter. Yes, sometimes you feel that everything is falling apart, like literally every single thing is falling apart for you, like your personal life, your professional life, everything. You feel like everyone is leaving me and my job is not serving me anymore. Like, I can understand. Okay, I can literally understand. Like, this is what it was happening with me last year, but now I don't think like that, because the moment everything will be removed from your life, that is the time when you are going to have a new life with you. Okay, you are going to learn new things. Like, literally, see, I believe that universe, God, whatever you believe in, okay, they are like your parents. Okay, they are literally like your parents. They will try to protect you, they will try to keep you safe, like our parents do. Okay, They will always warn you, like, see, this is not the right person for you, or this job is not good for you, or you should not take this step. They will always warn you, okay? And they will always try to keep you safe because you are their children. They don't want to go through the same thing, right? But at last they are human, right? They can't do more than that. But with universe, they are on higher power. The moment they will give you all the signs, okay? I believe that you will always see signs around you, but we don't pay attention to it. If you pay attention to it, then you will understand, oh, why it happened with me, or it's just giving me a sign and I should stop, okay? But it will give you signs, it will warn you constantly, but still if you choose the same path which is not right for you, they will remove it. They will remove every single person from your life. They will remove the job on which you are right now if that is not going to serve at your highest good. Whatever that is not good for you, they are going to remove it from your life. It might seem painful for you at that time, but later on, it will all make sense. Later on, you will know why it all happened. So don't ever think कि कभी भी अगर ऐसा हो कि मेरी सारी चीज़ें मतलब बर्बाद हो गई है और मतलब सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया है, मेरी जॉब चली गई, मैं जिसको पसंद करती थी या फिर जिसको पसंद करता था वो मेरी लाइफ से चला गया, लाइक सब कुछ एक ही साथ हो गया है, अब मैं क्या करूँगी? नहीं. It means that there is a sign that there is a new beginning waiting for you. पता है आप उस सिचुएशन पे आ जाओगे ना that you would not have any other option to choose, and you will choose the path that has been decided for you, that is good for you. And it always happens, okay? It always happens. The only thing is that you have to have trust in you, okay? Just have trust, just have faith that everything is happening for your highest good. Now, point number 4, and that is our last point. Success have an age limit, okay? सिर्फ सक्सेस ही नहीं, I would say किसी भी चीज़ में, okay? किसी भी चीज़ में. If I talk about शादी की भी अगर बात कर लो तो people think that इस particular age में शादी हो जानी चाहिए और इसी particular age में हमें पार्टनर मिलता है, इसके बाद हमें पार्टनर मिलेगा, या फिर ये चीज़ इसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम में हमें खरीद लेनी चाहिए थी, अब हम लोग नहीं खरीद सकते हैं, वो टाइम चला गया है. या फिर you must have heard a lot of times to people that we have been actually taught from our childhood कि इस एज में शादी हो जानी चाहिए, इस एज में एक अच्छा जॉब हो जाना चाहिए, इस एज में you should have a good house, you should have a car, you should have a good living, you should have a successful life, okay? तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ हो जाना चाहिए इस एज में, but ऐसा नहीं है, okay? Now it's not the case. I know, doesn't matter how many times I would tell you, you will obviously, everyone goes through their social media, right? You check on Instagram, but have you learned any good thing from it? Have you learned anything positive? आपने कुछ सीखा है उससे पॉजिटिव? नहीं, आपने कुछ नहीं, आपने सिर्फ नेगेटिव चीजें उसमें से ली है, ओके? मेरी लाइफ बहुत खराब है, सबकी लाइफ अच्छी चल रही है, मेरी खराब चल रही है, बस यही देखा है. You have not seen the positive side of it. Just go on Instagram right now and check all the reels, okay? You will get to know that people are starting their business. They are starting to get success in their life in their late 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. Age is just a number, okay? Don't let that age stop you कि नहीं अब तो ये एज हो गया, अभी इसके बाद तो मुझे सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा, या इस एज के बाद मेरे को तो पार्टनर ही नहीं मिलेगा. सी, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि लोगों को उनके अर्ली 20s में सक्सेस मिल जाता है, किसी को उनके अर्ली 30s में सक्सेस मिल जाता है, बट सक्सेस मिलता है. सक्सेस इज सक्सेस, डजंट मैटर एट व्हाट एज यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट, सक्सेस इज सक्सेस. सो ऐसा मत सोचो यार, आजकल तो मतलब रील्स पे जाओ तो 10 साल और 12 साल के बच्चे भी मतलब पैसे कमा रहे हैं, ओके? आई नो दैट इट्स क्रिंज एंड asking you to do the same. Okay, I'm not motivating you कि नहीं यार तुम भी ये चीजें करो, cringe चीजें करो, नहीं. It also for me also it is cringe, right? But the thing is that doesn't matter, who cares, they're still earning, right? They are earning. तो नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. जो चीजें हमें ऐसी क्रिंज लग रही है, जो कि है क्रिंज एक्चुअली, बट हम उसे शेयर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम रील्स को इधर शेयर कर रहे हैं, उधर शेयर कर रहे हैं, सी हाउ दे आर डूइंग इट, हाउ दे आर बिहेविंग, वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग फन ऑफ इट. हम उसका फन बना रहे हैं. हमें क्या, हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है, हम तो टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बट वो उस चीज से पैसे कमा रहे हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन, जस्ट थिंक. And even उनका छोड़ो यार, there are people who are in their 70s, 80s, and for them I have like immense respect because at that age also they didn't give up and they're still trying to have success in their life and they're literally achieving it. And बहुत सारे लोग पता है, they start to think that they are loser and they are a failure, which they are not. It's because they assume that they are a failure. और वो उस चीज को ना लिमिट कर देते हैं, अपने थॉट्स को लिमिट कर देते हैं उस एज ग्रुप में कि मैं 30s तक मैंने ट्राई किया, 35 तक मैंने ट्राई किया, मुझे सक्सेस नहीं मिला, सो इट मीन्स दैट आई एम अ फेलियर. अब मेरे से ट्राई नहीं होगा, अब मैं नहीं कर सकता. बट ऐसा नहीं है, okay? फर्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी भी एज में हो आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो, ठीक है. सेम इज दिस विद पार्टनर एज वेल. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि लोगों को अपनी अर्ली 20s में अपना पार्टनर मिल जाता है, लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम वो जिससे बात करते हैं या फर्स्ट टाइम वो जिसके साथ रिलेशन में आते हैं वो उनके साथ ही एंड अप हो जाता है. दैट हैपेंस. और किसी किसी को यार वो बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स चेंज करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, बट फिर भी उन्हें पार्टनर नहीं मिलता. बट उनको जाके अपने लेट 20s में या फिर अर्ली 30s में या 40s में यार कभी भी एक राइट पार्टनर मिलता है. The things that you wanted to buy, maybe you didn't, you think कि नहीं अभी ये चीज ना इसी टाइम पे फिक्स्ड मुहूर्त पे खरीद लेना था मेरे को, अब नहीं खरीद पाया मैंने, तो इट मीन्स कि मेरे लिए है ही नहीं, लाइक आई शुड गिव अप क्योंकि अब मैं खरीद ही नहीं सकता. नहीं, maybe there is something better waiting for you, maybe it's not the right time. Success is success. Doesn't matter at what age you are going to have it. It's success. If people are telling you that इस एज में तुम्हारे पास ये चीजें हो जानी चाहिए, if you are letting those thoughts and perceptions of people decide that what is good and what is bad for you and you are making decision according to them, then I'm so sorry to say, but no one is going to save you. Literally no one. You are your biggest enemy. Literally, you are your biggest enemy. It's just in here. Okay? Your thoughts, your perceptions, your everything that you think about yourself, it's just people's projection. But because it's affecting you, because you also feel the same thing about yourself. सी, मैं भी अपने लेट 20s में हूँ, ठीक है. मुझे भी ऐसे ही सोचना चाहिए था कि मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए यार, कर क्या फर्क पड़ता है, अभी करूँगी तो क्या होगा. बहुत लोग के साथ तो ऐसा भी होता है, काश आई विश आई कुड हैव गो बैक इनटू टाइम लाइक 5 years. इफ आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड दिस 3, 4, 5 years बैक, देन शायद मैं कुछ कर पाती, या मैं शायद कुछ कर पाता, या मैं कुछ अचीव कर पाती. अगर मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचती तो मैं भी वहीं पे बैठी रहती, ये जो ड्रीम था, ये जो सपना था, ये ऐसे का ऐसा ही रह जाता. बट मैंने बोला ठीक है यार, एक बार ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है, व्हाट विल हैपन, मे बी आई विल नॉट सक्सीड, ओके, आई विल फेल, तो फेल सही यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, एटलीस्ट आई ट्राइड, राइट. फेल ही हो जाऊंगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा. सो इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. तुम्हें एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे तुम्हें सक्सेस चाहिए था, वो उस टाइम पे नहीं मिला, बाद में मिलेगा. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव फेथ इन यू. इफ यू हैव फेथ, इफ यू हैव ट्रस्ट इन द प्रोसेस, नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू. you will be successful. Just trust me. Doesn't matter. अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हो and you have faith, you have trust, you will definitely going to be successful. Trust me. मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती है, कभी नहीं जाती. कोई कितना भी कुछ बोल ले, लेकिन वो कभी बेकार नहीं जाती. कभी ना कभी उसका रिजल्ट मिलता ही मिलता है. वो आपको भी मिलेगा. Okay, so don't let anyone thought, anyone's perception, that age limit, anything stop you from what you want to do. Whatever you want, try. Who knows what is going to happen? Just give it a try. Let's see क्या होता है. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you will like it. And अगर background noise आ रही हो या ऐसा कुछ भी हो रहा हो, I'm really sorry about it, but मेरे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. So मेरे पास जब भी टाइम था तब मैंने ये शूट किया है, बहुत जल्दी में, and I didn't have much time, so please just understand. Okay, and yeah, let me know if you have any question, if you have any stories to share. मैं ये सारी चीज़ें पूछती नहीं हूँ, but I would really love whatever your thoughts are, and if you want to share it to me, or if you want to share any of your story or any sort of experiences that you want to share it with me, or is there any topic that you want me to discuss about, just let me know. Okay, and I'll make it. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.